mga female adults ay nakakapag-lay na ng eggs and mabilis ito ma-hatch. Next po. So sa Brugia malayi, meron tayong microfilary stage din, which is ang distinguishing features niya ay they have special covering called a sheath. They are 175 to 230 micrometers long and have a pointed tail with a gap between two nuclei at end. So, dito naman is meron silang pagkakaparehas na stages ni Wuchereria bancrofti. Sa microfilary ng Brugia malayi, meron silang covering na nagsisilbing egg nila, and that's what we call the sheath, na mas malaki sa mismong specimen, same as Wuchereria bancrofti. Ang unique lang dito sa microfilary ng Brugia malayi is meron tong two nuclei sa tail rather than sa Wuchereria bancrofti na space ang meron and walang nuclei. Next po. So for the infective stage, ang distinguishing features niya is these are the next stage of the parasite's life cycle. They have special bumps on their tail end that are rounded and flat with a small dent around the base. So in this one naman, if makikita nyo, meron siyang bump or bukol sa kanilang tail end sa pabilog and flat. Yun din yung uniqueness niya kay Wuchereria bancrofti, and doon din natin makikita yung pagkakaiba ni Brugia malayi sa ibang species. Next. For the adult stage, ang distinguishing features niya ay they are long and thin with a smoother outer layer. They have a special head-shaped and curved tail. Female adult worms are about 8 centimeters long and 0.3 millimeters wide, while male adult worms are about 2 centimeters long and 0.1 millimeters wide. Dito na yung adult stage kung saan meron tong long and thin hair-like and smooth outer layer, same as Wuchereria bancrofti. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila sa structure nila is Brugia malari is kinks siya na parang curly masyado compared kay Wuchereria bancrofti. Sa adult stage ni Brugia malayi, meron siyang special head shape and curved tail na nakatutulong sa pag-identify at malaman ang pagkakaiba nito sa ibang species. Next. Ayun. Thank you po.
So, next naman po is we have Onchocerca volvulus. So, ang Onchocerca volvulus po ay siya parasitic worm na nag-cause ng river blindness na neglected tropical diseases affecting sa million people ng Africa at saka sa some other part ng Latin America. So, we have two stages of Onchocerca volvulus. Then we have the larva stage and the adult stage. So, dito sa ating larva stage, ang distinguishing feature ng Onchocerca volvulus ay unsheatheded siya, sharply pointed, curved tails, thread-like organism at meron siyang 300 mm long. Tapos dito, kapag babae yung Onchocerca volvulus, kapag nasa larva stage, makikita natin na may mga egg siya. And then, next naman is the adult stage ng Onchocerca volvulus. Dito naman, ang distinguishing feature niya ay, ang shape niya ay long, slender, hair-like or filiform, at saka meron din siyang tapered ends. Tapos, ang size niya is mas malaki sa female compared sa male. Sa female ay 33.5 to 50 cm, while yung male naman ay 1.9 to 4.2 cm lamang. And then, dito naman sa structure naman ng adult stage ng Onchocerca volvulus, ito naman is encapsulated, and then ang lifespan niya is 15 years. Meron din siyang cuticle, and siya ay mayroon ding deep transverse striations. So, next naman is the lowa-lowa. So, sa lowa-lowa naman is, ito din ay commonly na mayroong disease, nakaka-cause ng disease ay sa Africa din and sa South Americans. So, dito din is may dalawa din tayong stage. We have the larva stage and the adult stage. So, here's the larva stage. Ang distinguishing feature niya ay, yung size niya is 231 to 250 micrometer in length on stained blood films. Meron din siyang tapered tail with nuclei, irregularly spaced to the tip of the tail, at meron din siyang compact nuclear column with a short head space. And then, next naman is sa adult stage. So, ang distinguishing features naman ng lowa-lowa sa adult stage ay meron siyang prominent lateral alley, meron siyang cuticular bosses which can be divided into 3 subtypes, and then Sa females naman, 40 to 70 millimeter long siya and 0.45 to 0.60 millimeter wide. While sa mga lalaki naman is 30 to 34 millimeter long and 0.35 to 0.43 millimeter wide. And then next po is the compare and contrast naman.
Now naman po is we are going to compare two species which is Wuchereria bancrofti and Brugia malayi. So for the first characteristic which is the size, for Wuchereria bancrofti, for the female we have 80 to 100 millimeter, and on the other hand, for Brugia malayi, we have 43 to 55 millimeter in length. So, ibig sabihin po is mas haba yung Wichichiraya bancrofti. Then, for diameter, we have 0.24 to 0.30. And for the male, we have 40 millimeter length. For Brugia malayi naman po, for male we have 13 to 23 millimeter in length and 70 to 80 micrometer in width. So for the size, Wuchereria bancrofti is larger than Brugia malayi. For cephalic space, Wuchereria bancrofti has short cephalic or head region connected to a long and thread-like body. On the other hand, Brugia malayi has typical filarial nematode features in cross-section. Sa nuclear naman po, Wuchereria bancrofti has buccal capsule with a pair of ventral teeth, and Brugia malayi on the other hand has buccal capsule with cutting plate. So, if you're going to compare, for the first species ay may pair of ventral teeth siya, and sa sa Brugia malayi naman ay may presence siya ng cutting plates. For next characteristics, we have terminal nuclei. For the first species, we have nucleus near tail tip, and to compare, the other species has two distinct nuclei at the tip of the tail. Madam, wait pa. Cut mo na, edit ko na lang. Wait, pabalik na lang sa unang slide. Wait lang. Ay, go. Hindi ko makita. Go, madam, next slide na. Madam, next slide. So for the terminal nuclei, Wuchereria bancrofti has nucleus near tail tip, while Brugia malayi has two distinct nuclei at the tip of the tail. For the infective stage naman, sa Wuchereria bancrofti and Brugia malayi, both of them has third stage larvae. And for transmission, ay the same din sila. They both have microfilariae in blood. And in diagnostic stage, same as the transmission stage, they both have microfilariae in blood.
So the next one is the table indicating the morphological differences of the Ankylostoma duodenale and Nectar americanus. So for the characteristic is First one is the size. So the anecylostoma dunalis is larger, more curved, and while the other is slightly smaller, more slender. For the shape, anecylostoma is curved while nectator is straight. Mouth is a buccal capsule with a pair of ventral teeth in anecylostoma, while buccal capsule with cutting plates in Necator americanus. So for capillary bursa, capillary spicule, and caudal spine, it is all present in anecylostoma, while in Necator americanus is not. So for the last one is the vulva position, wherein posterior position in anecylostoma, while anterior in Necator americanus.
Wait daw, pakat na lang. Ano ay mag-retake tayong lahat? Ganire, basahin.
So for the terminal nuclei, Wuchereria bancrofti has nucleus near tail tip, while Bruguiera malayi has two distinct nuclei at the tip of the tail. For the infective stage naman, sa Wuchereria bancrofti and Bruguiera malayi, both of them has third stage larvae. And for transmission, ay the same din sila. They both have microfilariae in blood. And in diagnostic stage, same as the transmission stage, they both have microfilariae in blood.
So the next one is the table indicating the morphological differences of the Anecylostoma duodenale and Nectar americanus. So for the characteristic is the size. First one is the size. So the Anecylostoma duodenale is larger, more curved, and while the other is slightly smaller, more slender. For the shape, Anecylostoma is curved while Nectator is straight. Mouth is a buccal capsule with a pair of ventral teeth in anecylostoma, while buccal capsule with cutting plates in Necator americanus. So for capillary bursa, capillary spicule, and caudal spine, it is all present in anecylostoma, while in Necator americanus is not. So for the last one is the vulva position, wherein posterior position in anecylostoma, while anterior in Necator americanus.
So that ends our presentation about nematodes. Thank you so much for listening. So that ends our presentation about nematodes. Thank you so much for listening.